Assalamualaikum and welcome everyone. We're students from Sekolah Menengah PJN Kuala Belait, and the topic that we're presenting today is water filtration. But before we all start, we all know that water is an important source in our everyday life. Without water, there is no life. Water has also many uses in life, especially in domestic use, such as washing, cooking, bathing, and such. People can survive days without food, but cannot without water. These days, our water resources are polluted due to certain factors, such as wastewater and excess amount of littering, which all of this leads to shortages supply of clean water.
Water resources. We elaborated the issues regarding water resources into four main aspects: social, health, economy, and environment. The main focus of this experiment was to help improve the state of the environment. The disadvantages of having polluted water is that 1, it does not promote a steady growth for crops and agriculture, which often leads to scarcity of food. In addition, wastewater will also fall back to the ecosystem if it is not treated or reused. Every disadvantage has an advantage. The advantages of having clean water instead of polluted water is that 1, clean water bodies will most likely be made into a recreational area, specifically for tourism or for outdoor activities. It also promotes more survival for aquatic life, and it can be used for domestic use, example washing.
With solutions, we designed 5 different water filter solutions, in which the first 3 we looked into the orders of materials. In the first 3, we use the same materials, which are fine sand, cotton, pebbles, and big rocks. Here we are trying to figure out whether the orders of materials affect the clear water. But it turns out that it does not affect the clear water, since the result that we get afterwards are still the same, just still slightly brownish and still not clear.
So we tried another 2 designs where we added more filtering materials into the system. This includes cotton and filter paper. In experiment 4 and 5, we actually used the same material as in experiment 1, 2, and 3, but the only difference is that in experiment 4, we added twice the amount of cotton, and in experiment 5, we added more filter paper. From our observation, we noticed that experiment 4 actually has the clearest filtration. In conclusion, cotton traps and absorbs smaller particles, including colored substances,
because it has minute pores.
On the other hand, filter paper has larger pores,
and it only traps large substances.
And that's the end of our presentation.
Thank you for watching,
and I hope you like our presentation.